Okay guys, we got the spray train sitting here on the Pembroke connection track. The Northern Bearswamp connection track signal track looks to be tied down. Yeah, it's tied down. There's no crew for it. We got a southbound coming. This is the spray train tied down. I was coming to the tracks. All of a sudden I looked to my right. I seen a box on a tank car. I realized it was the spray train, so I didn't hear about it this morning. My brother said he heard something about them bringing one, but I didn't know it was going to be tied down. I'll let you look some pictures. Take a look at it. The number 156. 156. There's the bell. There's the cab. Here we got a sign up here. It says derailment. I was in, man, let you look at it. I don't understand why they got this sign there sitting on the rails. Somehow or another there must be a broken rail or some kind of hazmat there. So yeah, look at the front of it. Take another walk. One more walk. Here's some of it. There's the locomotion logo. So yeah, it's a spray train. And as you can see, these engines are really big and heavy. Tons and tons. Thousands of tons. Yep. So yeah, it's a spray train, guys. Let's hear it one more time. There we go. Let's look at the box car. Oh, see there? That's the box car. The couplers. Air hoses. That'll do it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video.